Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making some salt mackerel seasoned rice. Salt mackerel seasoned rice. Vibes fam, I'm telling you guys this already. Please try it. May I beg or no? Try it. Okay, so here are my adorable ingredients looking so fresh and so clean that I will be using for this recipe. So here I have my salt mackerel and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into two because this one is big. I mean, even if it was smaller, I would have still busted it in two, but yeah, it big. And I'm gonna put it in my pot and I'm gonna go ahead and pour some boiling water on it, right? I always use boiling water, right? Because you don't need to really boil out this thing too much, right? So once it come to a boil, once it start bubbling like that, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, right? I only do it one time. Okay, so here is my pot and I'm putting some coconut milk in. You can use regular oil if you wish. And I'm adding my chopped up onion and I'm gonna go ahead and saute it until it's translucent, but you can't really see it because of the coconut oil. Yes, so here I added a tablespoon of minced garlic. And yeah, I'm gonna saute this for about 2 minutes or so, right? Give it some time. And then once that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and add some green sweet pepper, yellow sweet pepper, red and orange. Ooh. All the niceness, can you just say nice? Look pan nice, look at nice. And we're going to saute these. We're going to leave them for about the same, just about 2 to 3 minutes, right? And while that is just bubbling away, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna, pick up my salt mackerel. You want to debone it because remember, this is seasoned rice. Who want bone in them rice? Nobody. Lift your hands up if you want bone. See, no hands. I see no hands. So yeah, we don't want any bone. So go ahead and take your time because it's seasoned rice. Well, I guess if you don't have children eating it, I have my children eating it, so I'm gonna take my time and take out these bones, right? So yeah, go ahead and take out the bone. And by the way, Vibes fam, please break them up big. You don't want the pieces to be too small because remember, you're going to be cooking it, as in putting it in your pot, adding the coconut milk and the works, and you're going to let it bubble away. You don't want them mash out and then you can't see any salt mackerel any at all, right? So when you break them, make sure they are big, right? Big enough. And here is my vibes up, maybe it's about 5 minutes. I think I left it there for about 5 minutes because I was breaking those bones out of that. And I added the chopped carrot and some scallion and thyme. Yes, fresh scallion, fresh thyme, and fresh carrot. And look at those beautiful colors. Look at it. Look at the colors. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that right for about 5 minutes too. And then when I come back, no, I think I gave that only about 2 minutes. Yes, only 2 minutes. Sorry, Vibes fam. And then I added the salt mackerel. And then I'm going to give this 5 minutes because Vibes fam, trust me, it takes time. But there's a method to the madness. But it's not madness, it's goodness. You need all the flavors to come together properly. Here I'm adding some, what you call that? Chili flakes. The chili flakes is not necessary, but as usual, I'm always looking for a little kick, right? So I'm saying, Vibes fam, this takes time in the sense that you need all the flavors to come together. Don't just dash and then No, give it time. So here I added my coconut milk. This is about 300 ml of coconut milk, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour some hot water, not cold water, family, not cold water, hot water, just to wash out my bowl. I need all of my milk, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. This was about a cup of water, all right? And then we're going to leave this now to simmer. I added some ground pimento powder, right? So instead of the pimento seed, because sometimes the pimento seed too hard to pick out for the children, and sometimes it can be a little vibes broker when you're eating, it just, yeah, so no. And then we're going to cover that and give it, oh, I added some dried thyme, I'm sorry, yes, some dried thyme. So the fresh thyme, I felt like it wasn't enough. By the way, I am tasting, right? And now I'm gonna cover it and give it 10 minutes. But the fire not high, like I have it on low and low. Oh, steam! Yes, facial. That's the only reason why I like to cook. I get free facial. And here I'm adding the wash rice. So remember, Vibes fam, low, leave it on low, make it simmer, make it come to a boil, right? And then you go ahead and you have, so while that is bubbling, you wash your rice, and then you come now and you add it, right? When it bubble up. And look at that. Look, there's one bone. I spotted a bone. I'm glad I spotted you. Look how big you are. Right. And that was the only bone because nobody else complained about any bone after. Right. But yeah, take that out and look at that, Vibes fam. Beautiful. Now I'm going to add a pepper, Scotch bonnet, cover it until it's dried down and cookery cook. Look at it. Right. Beautiful, gorgeous. Look at all them colors. So you want to take out the pepper because we're gonna go ahead and stir it up. Yes, look at stirration. Ooh, stir it up. Yes. Ooh, because we need to see what is taking place down there. Yes, we need to see what's going on down the bottom. Ooh, look at salt mackerel. Hey, Mackie. Hey, Mackie. Vibe song. Listen, I'm so excited. Ooh, look at that right there. Even just that one fork. Give me that one fork right there. I know that tastes good. That tastes good. That tastes good. So yeah, you want to go ahead and stir it up, right? Oh, look. Ooh, look at deliciousness. Look at deliciousness. Ooh. So yeah, you want to stir it up, right? Just to see what's going in. And it was cooked for more, but sometimes even though it dry down, and when you stir it up, you realize it don't finish cook. So you just stir it up, cover it back down, give it a minute or two, right? And then you can, yes, serve it. So mine is done, and Vibes Sam, here I am dishing it out. Ooh, look at, steam. Ooh, I love me some steam. Ooh, niceness. Look at that. Look at, And Vibes fam, here we have it. Run, come. Whether you want to run by your hand, whether you want to run by your foot, whether you want to run by your eyelash, but you got to see this. All the video light, uno bring them come. Every video light can come because you need to seize this. What? You have to vision this. And Vibes Sam is not just about the looking. I mean, it tastes good. I am begging you. When I say nice, like, oh my gosh, like mind-blowing nice, like so good. Like, taste a spoon or a fork and dance to the beat nice, yeah? So good. So thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please share this recipe. Thank you. God bless you.